You will never succeed more than you fail. That's not how it works. You know why? Because failure is a wonderful teacher. It's the only way to learn. You have to fail in order for you to understand yourself. The most difficult thing in life is to really know yourself. Failure is a part of the process to become successful. Welcome to Mentor Prosperous, a prosperity TV, a brand where you will discover how to become wealth while shopping and traveling around the world, having fun, learning the principles that lead to maintain and dominate the quality of your health, your wealth, your love life, and your happiness. Billionaire lifestyle while you're reprogramming your mentality for success. Such a wonderful day to be alive. I believe in you. Subscribe for more future videos to come.
What causes somebody to make drastic change? You ready? Very simple for me. Words, language. Everything in life is about language. Everything. Surround yourself with 5 people around you and let them keep telling you how they are. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, you're driving me nuts. You say it, you're right. I don't want to say it. Long time ago, I refused to buy a lot of different mindsets being imposed to me. I had people on my dad's side that would say, you know how women are, they're all the same. They're all the same. You know how they're. I said, stop telling me. I don't want to hear that. I said, because one day I want to get married and have a family. I don't want to believe that. Don't say it around me. On the other side, let me tell you how these types of people are. Stop telling me how rich people are. I know poor people who treat me royally. And I know poor people that treat me like shit. Dollar sign never made a difference as the character of the individual. Stop putting that stuff in my mind. I was in the army. Couple of guys telling me you'll never be rich. I don't want to hear it. Say to somebody else. Why are you reading all these books? You're wasting time reading these books. You're never going to be a millionaire. I said, you can say it to yourself. Don't ever say that to me again. You remember the scene, Pursuit of Happiness? Where he says, don't let anybody change your mind, not including myself, your father. There's certain words I refuse to accept. I don't like another person imposing their fears and victimhood on me. Where they say victims, I can't listen to that word because I don't see myself as a victim. It's too powerful of a word. The change from good to bad and the change from bad to good is both caused by words. Be very careful with words you use. And people around you, when they freely throw words around, stop them. You don't have to accept those words.
You think you can beat that sickness? I don't know. My grandmother died of the same thing. You really believe you can build that orphanage? Move into that nice neighborhood? I just don't see it. The good news is they don't have to see it. The people around you may not see the greatness in you. Don't let them talk you out of what God put in your heart. Don't let their negative words keep you from speaking positive, faith-filled words. Every time you declare the victory, you're getting closer to the miracle.